1965 Chevrolet Corvair Monza convertible here at Unique Specialty Classics. Of course, 110 horsepower, 6-cylinder, and this one does have the Power Glide automatic transmission option. Take a look at the chrome up front. Original paint coat of E, Danube blue, blue interior, 733 trim. As you can see, the chrome and bright work up front, headlight surrounds. Take your time looking through the still pictures. You'll be able to see the interior, underside, engine bay, luggage compartment. Top up, top down, uniqueclassiccars.com is where you can check out all those still pictures. If you're seeing this on YouTube, click on the link down below in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Wire wheel covers, white wall radials. Take a look down the passenger side of the car. As you can see, the paint shows well. There's some spots where there's imperfections. Notice like right up here, got the little hood. You might have a spot where there's a touch up, or maybe the paint's just a little stained, discolored. One of those cars, get in, drive it, have some fun. Local roll-ins, cruise-ins, your local shows. Vinyl in nice shape. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up. Let you hear it run. We'll take a look at the engine bay. We'll also put the convertible top up, check out the condition of that. And you can see it does come with a parade boot or convertible top cover, luggage rack. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. 110 badging on the rear, representing the horsepower of that air-cooled 6-cylinder, dual carb setup. You can see that engine bay at uniqueclassiccars.com with much more on this car, underside, interior. Let's look down the driver's side. Again, you can see paint. It does show well, but there's a touch up here or there, just a little imperfection, but a nice shine to it. Take a little closer look at this interior. Rear seat looks good. Door panels also look good. In the still pictures, you'll be able to see underneath the floor mats at the carpeting. Free of rips, tears, holes in the seat. I can tell you some of the recent service that was done on this also. A new windshield was installed. There's an electric fuel pump on it that you can hear run when you turn the key on. Torque converter is new, voltage regulator is new, as well as the alternator. And when I was looking in the engine compartment earlier too, the carbs look like they've just been gone through, or are new. All right, so right here we're in neutral, of course, with the Power Glide automatic transmission. That's where your shifter's at. Power brake would be down below here, excuse me. Parking brake would be power down below, not power, parking brake. There you can hear the electric fuel pump run. And we'll fire it right up. Not messed around with the stereo a whole lot. It does power up, as you can see. Let it warm up here a little bit. First, I'll slip around to the back so you at least hear it run, but we'll get it off the high idle here as it warms up. And I'll open up that rear engine compartment. In the meantime, maybe take a peek at this front one. I'm gonna have to pop that open. Let me get the front compartment open. I'll let it warm up here a little bit, and we'll check out that rear engine compartment too. So hang on here. Alright, let's check out this luggage compartment quick. Also looks like a newer master cylinder up here. Brake lines. Nice and tight. Looks like cocktail shakers are intact. flip around to the back. There it is. It's a 6-cylinder. It does, like I said, looks like more carbs, or they've been cleaned and gone through. 110 horse 6-cylinder, air cooled. Alright, I'm going to shut those things down, and we'll get this top up. And then remember, after I'm done with the top, stick around to the very end of the video. We're going to take this car for a ride so you can see how it drives out. And here's a look at the convertible top up. See, nice tight fit above the windshield. White vinyl. Also rolled up the side glass so you can get an idea how that fits. Looks good. Coming around to the rear. Haven't noticed any rips, tears, holes. I just folded up the convertible boot cover there. As you can see through the windows, that's clear. Passenger side windows also look good. And again, free of rips, tears, holes, and need it to keep you dry or out of the sun. It's going to serve that purpose just fine. 1965 Chevrolet Corvair Monza convertible. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pictures. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1965 Chevrolet Corvair. This is a convertible, but we do have the top up today. Turn signal indicators are working. Fuel gauge is reading just under half. Speedometer also working. I do get some sound out of the radio. Windshield wipers are functioning on this car. Nice looking vinyl bucket seats matching the blue. Factory horn works. These are fun little nice handling cars, easy to handle, light. Do have a little wind noise as it is wintertime in Minnesota. The weather is changing a little bit. Brakes are working. This is one of the better looking Corvairs in my opinion. They had a couple little style changes. This would probably be my favorite style. Transmission does kick down. This is an automatic transmission with a unique shifting mechanism on the dash. We have a tiny lever to go from reverse, neutral, drive, and low. Very nice Corvair. Feels good on the road. To learn more about this car at UniqueClassicCars.com.